Patrick never did homework. Too boring, he said. He played hockey and basketball and Nintendo instead. His teachers told him, Patrick, do your homework or you won't learn a thing. And it's true. Sometimes he did feel like an ignoramus, but what could he do? He hated homework. In this stanza, Patrick said that he didn't like doing homework. He felt homework is a boring thing, but he liked to play hockey, basketball, and Nintendo, a video game. His teachers told him that doing homework is necessary, otherwise, you will not learn anything. Sometimes he felt that he is like an ignorant person and a person who didn't know to learn or to read or to write. Then one day he found his cat playing with a little doll and he grabbed it away. To his surprise, it wasn't a doll at all, but a man of the tiniest size. He had a little wool shirt with old-fashioned breeches and a high tall hat, much like a witch's. He yelled, Save me! Don't give me back to that cat! I will grant you a wish! I promise you that! One day what happened? Patrick's cat was playing with a doll. For Patrick surprised. What was his surprise? That it was not a doll. It was a man of small size who was wearing wool shirt, old-fashioned short trousers, breeches mean trousers, and a high tall hat, like a witch, like a magician. And that man shouted, Save me! Otherwise the cat will eat me. He said, if you will not give me back to the cat, I will fulfill your one promise. Patrick couldn't believe how lucky he was. Here was the answer to all of his problems. So he said, only if you do all my homework till the end of the semester, that's 35 days. If you do a good job, enough job, I could even get A's. It was Patrick's luck. He said that his problems are going to be over. So he said to that man that if he will do his all or he will complete his all homework within 35 days, it will be a good job and he could get A plus or A's. The little man's face wrinkled like a dishcloth thrown in the hamper. He kicked his legs and doubled his fists, and he grimaced and scowled and pursed his lips. Oh, am I cursed? But I will do it. The little man is an old man. His face was wrinkled like dishcloths. That cloths we used for washing dish, and that cloth was hanging in a basket which is having a lid. What he did, he kicked his legs. That man kicked his legs and he doubled his fist. He folded his fist and he scowled. He pursed his lips. His face had these expressions showing disgust, anger, and disapproval. Even though what he said, oh, am I cursed? But I will do it. And true to his word, that little elf began to do Patrick's homework. Except there was one glitch. The elf didn't always know what to do and he needed help. Help me, he would say. And Patrick would have to help in whatever way. That old man, that little man has the problem. What problem he has? That there was one glitch, that a fault in machine that prevents it from working properly. there was a problem in a machine that it fails sometimes. It didn't does it works properly. And the elf, that little man, he says that I want your help to complete your homework and you have to help me. I don't know this word, the elf squeaked while reading Patrick's homework. Get me a dictionary. No. What's even better, look up the word and sound it out by each letter. During the completion of homework, Patrick's homework, the elf squeaked. The elf gave a short cry. He said, I don't know this word. And he wants a dictionary. But instead of dictionary, he wants that Patrick would spell the letters for him. When it came to maths, Patrick was out of luck. What are timetables? The elf shrieked. We elves never need that. And addition and subtraction and division and fractions. Here, sit down beside me. You simply must guide me. Elves know nothing of human history. To them, it's a mystery. So the little elf, already a shouter, just got louder. Go to the library. I need books, more and more books, and you can help me read them too. Okay, when was the turn of Patrick's maths homework? He asked that what are timetables? Elf shouted, he said, what are timetables? And that elves never need that they do not know do about addition, subtractions, division and fractions. Nothing for them is needed like addition and subtraction and division. So he said, you have to sit beside me and guide me. And even elf said that he don't know anything about human history. So what he said, he say louder that go library and bring some books, more and more books, and you read them and I will write your homework. As a matter of fact, every day in every way that little elf was a nag. Patrick was working harder than ever and was it a drag. He was staying up nights, had never felt so weary, was going to school with his eyes puffed and bleary. What happens? Patrick was doing all his homework. It is shown that elf was helping him. But Patrick had to work hard. He had to go to library and from there he had to bring some books and all with the help of elf. He was completing his homework. He had to stay all the nights and he never felt so weary, never felt so tired, was going to school with his eyes puffed and blurry. His eyes was swollen and he was going to school with that eyes. Finally, the last day of school arrived and the elf was free to go. As for homework, there was no more, so he quietly and slyly slipped out the back door. What happened? Finally, when Patrick went to school, elf was free because all homeworks of Patrick was completed by the elf. So what elf did? He quietly and secretively he slipped. He ran out the back door. Patrick got his A's. His classmates were amazed. His teachers smiled and were full of praise, and his parents, they wondered what had happened to Patrick. He was now the model kid, cleaned his room, did his chores, was cheerful, never rude, like he had developed a whole new attitude. For teachers, it was amazing that Patrick did his homework. Patrick got A's, so teachers smiled and they praised, they appreciate Patrick and his parents. What they are saying now, that Patrick is a model child. He is cleaning his room, and he do work that must be done every day, not feeling bored, and he was not like before, not like rude before like he was, and he developed a whole new feeling, a new behavior he got. You see, in the end, Patrick still thought he would make that tiny man do all his homework. But I will share a secret just between you and me. It wasn't the elf. Patrick had done it himself. At the last, it was told that Patrick did his homework with the help of the tiny man. Everyone knows that elf did his homework, but it was a secret because all homework was done by Patrick himself, because he gave the answers of all that questions by using some library books and the other books. It is all about the chapter, and it was written by Carol Morey. पैट्रिक्स होमवर्क का समरी देखेंगे हम। जो पैट्रिक था वो कभी अपना होमवर्क करना पसंद नहीं करता था, उसे बोरिंग महसूस होता था। उसे सिर्फ हॉकी, बास्केटबॉल और वीडियो गेम खेलना पसंद था। टीचर ने उनसे कहा कि अगर तुम होमवर्क नहीं करोगे तो तुम कुछ सीख नहीं पाओगे। तो इसलिए उससे भी महसूस हुआ कि वो एक अनपढ़ की तरह हो गया है, मगर फिर भी वह होमवर्क करना पसंद नहीं करता था। एक दिन उसने देखा कि उसकी कैट एक लिटिल डॉल से खेल रही थी, तो उससे आश्चर्य हुआ कि वो लिटिल डॉल नहीं था, एक आदमी था जो बहुत छोटे साइज़ का था, जो ऊनी शर्ट पहना था, ओल्ड फैशन का पैंट था और लंबा सा हैट, टोपी था, जैसे कि जादूगर लोग पहनते हैं। तो वो मैन चिल्लाया, एल्फ था, छोटा आदमी कहते हैं, वो एल्फ चिल्लाया, मुझे बचाओ, मुझे वापस इस कैट को मत देना, मैं तुम्हारी एक विश पूरी कर दूंगा, एक प्रॉमिस पूरी कर दूंगा। तो पैट्रिक बिलीव नहीं कर पाया कि वो बहुत लकी था। अब उसके सब प्रॉब्लम्स का जवाब उसे मिल गया कि उसने एल्फ को कहा कि तुम मेरा होमवर्क 35 डेज़ में अंत तक कर दो, यही मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा जॉब होगा और उससे मुझे ए भी मिल जाएगा। तो लिटिल मैन जो था उसका चेहरा झुर्रियाँदार था, जैसे कि किचन का कपड़ा होता है जो कपड़े पोंछने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है, बर्तन पोंछने के लिए जो कपड़ा यूज़ किया जाता है। वो एल्फ जो छोटा आदमी था वो अपना पैर को किक करता है और अपनी मुट्ठी को बांधता है एकदम गुस्से में। वह अपने लिप्स, अपने होठों को चबाता है और वो कहता है कि क्या मैं इतना कर्स हूँ, क्या मुझे इतना अभिशाप मिला है, मगर मैं ये काम कर दूँगा। और एल्फ पैट्रिक का होमवर्क करना शुरू करता है। वो कहता है कि मेरा मशीन जो है उसमें कुछ गलती है, वो सही काम नहीं करती है, और वो कहता है कि मुझे, पैट्रिक को कहता है, तुम मेरी हेल्प करना। फिर पैट्रिक को एल्फ कहता है कि कुछ वर्ड्स पढ़ने के समय वो कहता है कि मैं ये शब्द नहीं जानता, मुझे डिक्शनरी चाहिए। फिर वो पैट्रिक को कहता है कि तुम एक एक शब्द को स्पेलिंग जोर जोर से कहो। जब मैथ्स की बारी आती है, गणित की बारी आती है, तो वो कहता है ज़ोर से आवाज़ में, तीखी आवाज़ में कहता है कि हमें कभी इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी, मतलब हमें कभी जोड़, घटाना, भाग और फ्रैक्शंस की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी। तो वो कहता है पैट्रिक को कि तुम मेरे बगल में बैठो और मुझे गाइड करते रहो। मानव इतिहास के बारे में भी मैं नहीं जानता, वो मेरे लिए एक मिस्ट्री है, एक रहस्य है। फिर वो और ज़ोर से चिल्लाते हुए कहता है लाइब्रेरी जाओ और वहाँ से बहुत सारी बुक्स लेके आओ और तुम मेरी मदद कर सकते हो उसे पढ़कर। हर रोज़, हर दिन लिटिल एल्फ ट्रबल्स समवन ऑल द टाइम। हर बार उसे वो ट्रबल करता, परेशान करता, किसको? पैट्रिक को। तो पैट्रिक इस वजह से मेहनत करने लगा और मेहनत करते करते समटाइम्स वो अपने आप को डल महसूस करने लगा, उसे अनइंटरेस्टिंग महसूस हुआ और वो रात भर जागता रहा और थकान नहीं महसूस किया। और जब वो स्कूल जाता तो उसकी आंखें सूज जाती, फूल जाती। फाइनली अंतिम दिन था स्कूल जाने का, तो एल्फ अपने आप को, जो एल्फ था, लिटिल मैन था, वो अपने आप को आज़ाद महसूस किया, क्योंकि अब उसके पास कोई होमवर्क करने को नहीं था और वो बहुत शांति से और बहुत रहस्यमय तरीके से वो पीछे के दरवाजे से स्लिप आउट हो गया, भाग गया। पैट्रिक को ये मिला, उसके क्लासमेट्स आश्चर्यचकित हुए, उसके टीचर्स भी मुस्कुराए और उन्हें बहुत सारी प्रशंसा की, उसके पेरेंट्स की भी। और इस बात का आश्चर्य था कि पैट्रिक को क्या हो गया, अब ये क्या बन गया, एक मॉडल किड बन गया, एक बहुत अच्छा बच्चा बन गया। वो अपना रूम साफ़ करता, अपने जो भी दैनिक काम है वो करता और खुश रहता और कभी रूड बुरा व्यवहार नहीं करता। पूरा मिला के उसका जो व्यवहार था वो बदल चुका था। तो अंत में क्या देखा कि पैट्रिक ने सोचा और हमने भी ये सोचा कि वो टाइनी मैन जो एल्फ था वो उसका होमवर्क कंप्लीट किया। बट जो कैरल मोरे है, जो लेखक हैं, वो कहते हैं कि ये मैं सीक्रेट, एक रहस्य की बात बताने वाला हूँ। क्या रहस्य की बात बताएगा वो, कि पूरा जो होमवर्क था वो पैट्रिक ने खुद ही किया, उसके एल्फ ने नहीं किया।